Hello everyone, my name is Nick Obioma. I am a natural medicine practitioner. I am here today to talk about Whitlow. Yes, I say Whitlow. I know a lot of people know what is called Whitlow. Whitlow is very common in the villages, even in the city today. At times you see some people, their hand here, their fingers here, swelled up. But I want you to watch the video from the beginning to the end and understand what is called Whitlow and ways to treat such problem if you have it or you know someone that have it. Yes, Whitlow is an abscess or a swelling on the fingertips or toes. So it can happen on the fingertips or on the toes to swell and become extremely painful if there is any kind of pressure or touch. So if you swell up and anything happens to it, or you touch it or hit somewhere, or somebody mistakenly touch it, you will notice the pain. It will become more painful, extremely painful, when there is a pressure or a touch on it. Yes, Whitlow is a kind of bacteria that affects the nails or the tissues around the nails or around the toes, and it will swell up. And when it swell up, it affects the nails. You know, its tissue is on the tip or on the toe, but it's going to affect the nails. Most times, some people, the Whitlow will cause their nails to fall off, or it can disfigure any of these nails or toes, depending on where it happens. Anyway, there are factors or there are things that causes this Whitlow, and how to prevent this Whitlow. What can you do to prevent Whitlow? One of the ways or one of the things you should do to prevent Whitlow is by stopping or avoid biting your nails. When you see some people today, you see them biting nails, they want to use their teeth to cut their nails. You will do it to the level that you will sustain injury there, knowingly or unknowingly. You will sustain injury there, and the bacteria can enter through that place, thereby causing Whitlow. Another way is to avoid cutting your nails too short. Whether you are using nail cut, razor, knives, or whatever you want to use, don't cut it too short that you will notice that after cutting the nails is affecting or is touching your normal flesh. If you watch very well, you know some people when they cut, you also see kind of bleeding, blood coming out of that place. This is another reason that will allow bacteria to go in there and form or attack the tissue, which affects and turn to become Whitlow. Another thing that also do that, a lot of people that works in a place or even in their homes, that they wash a lot of dishes, you need to wear a rubber glove. You need to wear a rubber glove, yes. When you notice that you want to wash a lot of dishes, you want to wash so many plates, pots, and other things, please kindly wear rubber gloves. Because as you are washing, keep on washing. At a time, you notice that at this tip, that it seems as if it's affecting your nails. In that case, it will open that place and virus can penetrate through that place and Whitlow will come. So these some of the things that is causing Whitlow. I may not mention all because of time anyway. You know where I'm working with time just to make the video short. But you have to also ask yourself question. Things, treatment you can use to treat this Whitlow if eventually you notice that you are having Whitlow. What are the things you should do? One of the things you should do is to soak that affected finger into a warm water. That means you have to boil the water and you soak that particular finger inside that water for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes or thereabouts, so as to kill some of those bacteria that is causing that problem. But remember, in most times, it requires that the pores need to be drained. You know that pause that people start crying maybe night, morning, afternoon, anytime, keep on crying because of the pores in it. It needs to be drained. Ladies, I'm talking about the treatment now. How about painkillers? You need to take herbal painkillers so that it will reduce or stop the pains. Because Whitlow goes with a very tough pain. So you need to take our herbal painkillers. Another treatment you can do on Whitlow is to take our herbal or natural antibiotics. Yes, natural antibiotics that will go to kill those bacteria or infections. The other thing also you need to do is that you have to boil water. Boil water. Then use your towel soaked on that water and use it to press around the affected finger or nail. Do it once in a day or twice in a day for 2-3 days. I will not also fail to tell you one of the best possible ways to achieve a good result when you have Whitlow is to buy. We have a toothpaste, a very special toothpaste. Yes, I call it toothpaste. That you take the paste and rub around the affected area. And you see the miracle of herbal toothpaste. There is another way. You don't want to use that one. This was the one I'm called the toothpaste, and these are called under therapy. You use our natural herbal creams. We have creams. It's meant for that. You can also use it to treat something like eczema, something like boils, something like ringworms, and all the rest. But we are talking about Whitlow today. You use the cream and rub on the affected finger or affected nail. Also, salt is another natural product that we use to treat Whitlow. If you watch very well, even right from the villages, some people, when they have Whitlow, during the time that they notice that the pus is paining them and it doesn't have anywhere, instead of them to use needle to open it up, you use a particular salt and drop on a particular place. That salt is going to help you to open the place, and the pus can come out from there. So we use also salt. We have natural things herbal things we can use to take care of ourselves when such situation occurs. For today, we have westernized everything. I am not saying that doing that is bad, but before you go for that, you can achieve this result just from within your house or your homes. Please, I want to advise you to watch this video severally so that you can understand exactly what I said and apply it and see the miracle of God on herbal products. Thank you, and God bless you.